loser!
Someone kill him!
I've won before, and I will win again. Yeah.
I think I've been coming here for about 60 years.
But it's only been going on for 30.
Well, I eat for 2.
I love my rowdy neighbors. We live next door, and when the Dorlands moved in, our biggest worry was they were going to be Republicans, and they're not, and we love it.
Hi.
What are you making today?
It's a top secret. I'm taking super steak.
Nice.
Yeah.
How do you think you're going to win?
I win every year, so. Say no more.
How long have you been coming to this?
What, 5 years, 6 years? Not, well, maybe longer than that, but not every year.
Your favorite person to beat?
Oh, Walt.
Kelly?
Yeah. No, I don't want to beat Kelly. If anybody's going to win, it's got to be Kelly.
What are you making this year?
I'm making Tex-Mex corn.
Really? Do you
Yeah.
think you're going to win?
I have no idea. Beauty is in the eye of the eater. Rick Alessio's going down this year. He couldn't pay me $500 to get my vote.
Okay. How long have you been coming to these barbecue ops?
Too long.
My name is Richard. I'm from London. This is my 2nd year.
Alright, what are you making this year?
Bright smiles and happy times.
Oh, what is it? It's like I want to touch that microphone.
Barbecue St. Louis style ribs with Korean barbecue sauce.
Do you think you'll win?
Yeah, I usually do when I bring something, yeah. I usually think I will.
Alright. How many times have you been to the barbecue?
This is the 30th. I think I've missed 2 of them.
Wow.
Yeah, I was at the first one, and from there on in, yep.
And who is your favorite person to beat?
Kelly Dorland, hands down. I like to beat the host.
I made strawberry muscadines.
Do you think you'll win?
I'm not sure if it's really being entered. It's like an appetizer, but maybe it's more for fun. Counting the votes and making sure the people win that I want to win. Yeah. So it's rigged every year if anyone wants to know.
Last question. How competitive is this competition?
Oh, it's competitive. It's a death match.
Hi, Joss.
What are you making today?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Oh yeah!
Do you think you'll win?
Yes.
Winner, chicken dinner.
I won last year.
You did win.
You have tough competition.
I did win last year.
You have very tough competition.
I know. Shh. Don't dull my spirit.
Favorite thing about the barbecue ops?
Seeing Kaylee.
Seeing Kaylee. All right. How many times have you won?
A lot. Too many to count.
Funfetti truffle, chocolate and vanilla.
Do you think we'll win?
No.
Even though that we're the only kids in the category?
No. Well, yes, maybe.
I am making pesto salmon. Salmon, yes.
Will you win?
Of course.
Yeah.
I've won before, and I will win again. Yeah.
You said you won it before. How many times have you won?
Too many where I can't even count. Yeah. Yeah, I have a room dedicated to trophies for this. Yeah. It's just called the barbecue trophy room. You have one too?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty full now.
All from the Dorlands.
Who's your favorite person to beat?
Probably Dan Bradley, because he's kind of a cheat. Yeah. He's won before, but with an asterisk on his name, so he doesn't count. So we're in competition. You'll have to find him. and ask him about how he won. And see if he tells the truth. Well, in comparison that no one's killed someone yet, but there have been sabotage and some wounding. So other than that, not very, just very friendly. Very fun.
So what's your favorite?
Hi, Charles.
What did you make today?
I made smoked huckleberry honey and mustard wings.
Do you think you'll win?
I do. I do.
How many times have you won?
Maybe 4. 4 out of 30.
Was there ever a time you think you should have won?
Many.
Yeah.
And I goes back to the judges. I think. Yeah, I should have won 30. It should be 30 for 30.
And what's your favorite thing about the BBQ wraps?
I think it's just getting everybody together, so everyone's together for at least once a year. Kind of like a Christmas in June.
Go ahead.
Him!
I won't tell you who I said.
Him!
Hey, what's up, Kelly?
Oh, how you doing, man?
They had, I mean, it was always, they had walked 60 years ago on like Rose.
Have you entered in this competition before?
I take pictures usually as my contribution.
Competition is?
Competitive? It's not a competition. It's all Dorlands that win. There's no way you can win if you're not a Dorland, or you put Dorland in the name.
And last question. Will you be taking your camera out today?
Well, I've been taking pictures at these events since some of the girls around here were little kids.
Yeah.
And I think it's kind of fun to capture them. But I've been taking pictures at so many different events. I've never seen more beautiful people than at the Dorland barbecue cook-offs. My camera's upstairs. Should we go get it now? All right, let's go.
Do you think there was a time you should have won?
No, because I only entered once.
Last question. Who was your favorite person to beat the last time you won?
Unfortunately, I'm old and my memory sucks. But Norma told me that the only reason I won was because no one else entered a dessert that year. But she did say it was good.
Well, you still won, so that's good.
I know, right?
Thank you.
Thanks.
Go ahead, Jeff.
Guy's gonna gargle it. I feel like I cleaned this out of back of somebody's car today.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna be a fucking cuss word. What? I don't make a very good recording subject.
Norma would be fabulous.
Don't pay any. Don't.
That's one way to get rid of
Don't
it.
have no language like that.
Yeah, I was to say, you guys stop traveling around.
Pardon me?
What did you make this year?
I made my beans that your grandfather threatened me to kill me if I didn't bring, and I made a lemon raspberry cake.
With my girlfriend,
So you entered into
folks had this
2 categories?
2 categories.
I don't know
Do you think you'll win?
of what to call this.
I don't know. You know, I've won so many times in the past. I just really hope that somebody else wins.
The picture
Because
of humility right here.
I'm tired of your grandpa trying to beat me up over it.
Alright, so you say you won a lot, so how many times?
I think I've won over the last 30 years probably about 20 times maybe.
Okay.
I just said,
So who was your favorite person to beat over
it was
that
my favorite thing, and Norm just looks at me and goes,
Your grandfather, Walt, and that stupid friggin' corn he brought last year
Oh,
that
the
won.
corn was so good.
rented a
So
boat,
have you been to all 30 of the
and
barbecues?
took
I
his
think
cousin
I've only
Caleb and
missed
I,
one
Neva,
in 30
and Norm.
years.
He just drove this lovely little boat that we rented, you know,
Was there a
all
time you
around,
should have won?
you know, Lake Washington.
Well,
and
I should win every year, of course.
lost.
I didn't win. Oh, I think I did. I think
I just think
The one time you lost, you really should have won.
Yes,
Yeah,
I think it was
pretty
rigged.
much.
It's
I think they were all ganging up against
It was
me.
the Russians. It's hard to make time to do it.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, Joss.
Yep. Come on, pace yourself, youngin. Pace yourself.
I don't want
You're behind the bar. You gotta mix. I want to have one of your famous dishes.
I fucking better win something. Is all I gotta say. I fucking.
I want to say thank you and welcome again for the 30th annual
How many?
barbecue off. 30. The 30th official one. There were still 2 ahead of that. Acknowledge the beginning of tonight is the fact that my lovely daughter has graduated.
From the best school in the state.
That's not WSU.
She went to UW and got a 3.85.
That's
because she couldn't do it at Wazoo.
Oh shit!
Huh? What? We're actually on to the awards.
Boo.
Appetizer. We're going to start with second place.
Sarah Sanders.
That is shrimp philo. That was excellent.
I get that a lot.
First place in appetizer is Party in Your Mouth by Angela. Party in Your Mouth!
How's that? I never seen her before. Shit, man. I've been like, hey. Are you first time? Is she first time?
No, I've won for dessert before, buddy.
Okay, we're going on the side dish.
Never seen her before in my life.
Second place side dish.
That's bullshit.
Is Brittany's asparagus.
Oh, Brittany's here.
And surprise, surprise. I don't know how many times this dish has won.
Uh-oh. Oh, fuck no.
Norma's beans.
Times this dish has won. You said bring what's won in the past.
She's really happy. What's her secret ingredient?
And now the root of why we're all here from the very beginning, which is barbecue.
All right.
Second place in barbecue is super steak.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah.
Thank God it's not first, because I gotta listen to it. It's about time.
Hey, that steak was good.
You're running,
Before any of you say anything, I did not rig this. That's for first place. At least win
So everyone's winners for drink this bar dry tonight. Yay me!
Okay, we're on the dessert category.
That's a tough one. See? He's at the kids stage.
Second place.
All he has left is alcohol.
Chocolate Magic from Becca.
Was it good?
It looks like to be a repeat champion. Danielle's Banana Foster Bread.
That one for sure is bullshit.
Wait till I bring my family next year. We'll see what's up.
Get out of the picture, loser!
Exactly.
We have one last category, and that's the kids category. And it seems to be a runaway. It's Allie and Josh's Truffles.
You can go up there and I want to.
Oh, there's the other two. Yay! I think this vote was rigged too.
That one's for sure.
Cheers! Cheers!